Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P065A refers to an ACG No Charging Malfunction in the Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016. This trouble code indicates a failure in the alternator control grid ACG system that affects the vehicle's charging capability. The alternator is responsible for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy, providing power to various electrical components, while simultaneously recharging the battery. Proper functioning of this system is crucial as it ensures that the battery maintains its charge and supports electrical components during operation. A malfunctioning alternator can lead to a range of issues, including diminished electrical performance and potential battery failure. Therefore, understanding the implications of the P065A code is vital for effective troubleshooting. The P065A code describes a malfunction in the alternator control grid ACG system, which is essential for regulating the charging of the battery. The ACG itself primarily encompasses the alternator and its associated control mechanisms located at the front of the engine compartment, typically on the passenger side. The alternator's function is to generate electrical energy when the engine is running. This energy supports the battery and the electrical systems of the vehicle. If the ACG system fails, the alternator cannot properly charge the battery, leading to voltage drops and potential electrical failures. Diagnosing this issue is integral for vehicle functionality, as it directly impacts the lifespan and reliability of the electrical components. Understanding the position and role of the alternator aids in identifying the problem efficiently. Several potential causes can lead to a DTC P065A condition. A faulty alternator is a primary suspect. It may have internal failures, preventing it from generating sufficient voltage. Additionally, a broken or worn drive belt can hinder the alternator's ability to spin and produce electricity. Other issues might include damaged electrical connections, which can disrupt the flow of current and signals necessary for proper operation of the ACG system. Loose or corroded terminals can lead to intermittent charging issues, complicating diagnostic efforts. Understanding these causes is critical for effective troubleshooting and identifying the correct course of action to restore charging functionalities. When dealing with DTC P065A, several symptoms commonly emerge, indicating a malfunction of the charging system. A battery warning light on the dashboard is often the first noticeable symptom. This light alerts the driver that there is an issue with the vehicle's charging system. Additionally, electrical components might start to fail, leading to unexpected behavior such as dimming lights, especially when the engine is idling. This is a direct sign that the battery may not be receiving sufficient charge due to alternator issues. These symptoms are important to note because they can escalate, potentially leading to a battery that completely discharges and leaves the vehicle inoperative. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P065A is to clear the diagnostic trouble code using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This allows for the system to reset, thereby helping to establish a clear diagnosis of any continuing issues. After clearing the code, start the engine and let it idle for at least 1 minute. This step is critical because it allows the vehicle's onboard systems to recalibrate and check whether the code reappears. Once the engine has idled, you will again need to check for both pending and confirmed DTCs using the HDS. This process will help ascertain if the P065A code persists or if it was a temporary issue that has since resolved itself. Understanding the flow of these steps ensures you're working effectively toward identifying root problems. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P065A, the technician should again check for pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. It is essential to confirm whether the P065A is still indicated after the initial clearing of the code. If DTC P065A is indicated, this confirms that the issue persists and requires further action. On the other hand, if the code does not appear, this could suggest an intermittent failure or a momentary glitch in the system, implying that the current operational state may be normal, although components such as the alternator or drive belt should be inspected for potential future fault. This step is crucial in ensuring systematic diagnostic accuracy without overlooking possible hidden issues. The third troubleshooting step focuses on checking the drive belt for any signs of wear or damage. The drive belt plays a pivotal role in powering the alternator. If it is broken or too loose, the alternator cannot function properly. If the visual inspection shows that the drive belt is in good condition, the technician should proceed to repair or replace the alternator itself. It's important to check the belt tension and ensure it is adequately tight. Conversely, if the drive belt is found to be compromised, it should be replaced immediately, as a faulty drive belt can contribute to a lack of power generation in the alternator system, consequently leading to charging issues. Addressing the drive belt first can often lead to an immediate and less costly resolution. After completing repairs related to DTC P065A, it's crucial to perform a final verification step. This involves conducting a test drive to ensure that the vehicle operates correctly under typical driving conditions. Following the test drive, it's essential to check for any DTCs once more using the HDS. This final examination verifies that the issue has been resolved and that no new codes have appeared. Confirming the absence of the original code indicates that the repair was successful and the ACG system is functioning as intended. This step ensures that you leave the vehicle in optimum working condition, affirming that all components of the charging system are performing as they are supposed to. Regular preventive maintenance plays a key role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P065A. It is advisable to routinely check the drive belt for signs of wear or damage, as this component directly affects alternator performance. Additionally, routinely monitoring the vehicle's voltage system can help identify any irregularities early and prevent larger system failures. Conducting regular battery condition assessments can ensure that the battery remains charged and that the charging system is functioning adequately. These maintenance practices can significantly enhance the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's electrical systems, thereby supporting overall vehicle performance and safety. In conclusion, the DTC P065A indicates a significant malfunction in the ACG system, which has vital importance for the functioning of the Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016. Thorough troubleshooting steps, including clearing codes, checking for faults, inspecting the drive system, and verifying repairs, are essential to resolve the issue effectively. It's important to monitor the vehicle's electrical performance continuously to avoid potential failures and ensure longevity. Engaging in regular maintenance practices can help mitigate the risk of encountering such issues in the future. Understanding the significance of each component and their role in the vehicle's operation empowers vehicle owners and technicians alike to maintain optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.